Good morning, Paul. Thanks for joining me today.
Good morning, Emma. Thanks for setting up this meeting. As I told you before, I have visited your website and read that EMD Service offers a free trial for your water and energy management system for car washes. I want to know if integrating your system means I need to invest in upgrading my existing car wash equipment.
Good question. The system's smart meters and wireless sensors are fully compatible with any standard car wash equipment. So, no upgrades are required on your part.
That's great to hear. But do I need to pay for the components if I want to test the system during the free trial?
There's no cost for the trial components themselves. We'll deliver everything you need free of charge. We've made the installation process easy. You just coordinate with your technical team or regular service partner, and they can have everything installed in a matter of hours. Once you've tested the system for 2 months and decide to move forward, we can discuss long-term options. But for now, there's no commitment beyond just trying it out.
That sounds very straightforward. I'd like to schedule the trial installation. What's the next step?
I'll send you a quick email with more information. You can pick a convenient time slot and we'll get the components out to you right away.
Sounds great. Thanks so much, Emma.
My pleasure, Paul. We're looking forward to getting you started. Feel free to reach out anytime.